A beautiful new Kelly. It's almost $6,000 cheaper in France than in the US. Can you believe that? Never skipping Hermes airport. We got another bag at the airport. Quick unboxing and quick story time, okay? You guys, got an Hermes airport bag unboxing with a quick story time. A new Kelly from the airport. We love a Kelly. Compelling me a Kelly. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we have an airport unboxing for my last trip to the airport where I was able to get another beautiful Kelly bag. We're gonna unbox it and talk about it real quick. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, I probably have already unboxed this on the shorts, on the flight. I don't have the ribbon. I'm not doing the whole thing. It's just gonna be the box. But I went in, it wasn't in my terminal. I was flying out a different terminal, but I went to the first terminal that I could go to and asked for a bag there. And it was it's a newer store, newer people. It was a new sales associate I'd never seen before. And they were kind enough to not only bring out this bag, they brought out a couple of necklaces. My friend I've gotten them already, so I didn't take any. But my friend got one. Like dozens of charms. They had so many charms. I think they had just gotten a shipment. So I got a couple more charms, but I don't know where they are. So we're just gonna go with this. And then they brought out 2 bags, and this is the one I got. Really exciting. I already have this bag. The other one is in white, and it's for Chai, and it's being monogrammed. Actually, I should follow up on that. It's been there a while, but it's at Hermes being monogrammed. I sent it in. It's totally unboxed. I mean, it's not even like properly put back together, so pretend like it's new. But it is. I'm really excited because this is more of a wearable color. It's the Kelly Messenger in gray. It's much more of a wearable color than the white one. The white one I'm literally just gonna use for Chai, but it matches once I get it back. But this one I feel like I could wear every day. And I have the black one in bigger size, which is too big, honestly. But this one is just the cutest amount of perfect size for every day without, your laptop or anything like that. I don't know exactly the measurements, but I feel like it's like a 25. It's crossbody strap, adjustable, not detachable, 2 pockets on here, 1 pocket inside, and yeah, Kelly closure, but like bigger Kelly closure, bigger hack Kelly closure. It's really nice. I love it. Good for every day. Good for elevated every day, because like still taking a Kelly every day is kind of like a lot. I think like, something like a Her bag would be better, or something more durable, Garden Party, or not Hermes. We don't have to always carry Hermes, Lovely, lucky, excited. The price difference, by the way, oh God, the price difference is almost $6,000 cheaper in France than in the US. Can you believe that? With the tax, it's VAT, it's at the airport, so it was, tax-free, but I think it was 9,000 euros versus $14,000 in the US, 14,700 plus tax, so it's like 16, and 9 converted into dollars is probably 10-ish, so like 10 to 16. It's like a $6,000 savings. Crazy. Also, update. Well, I don't know if I don't want to jinx it, but my videos got notice of someone, and they're writing an article, not about me, but about shopping at the airport. But they interviewed me to talk to me because they said I was an expert. So hopefully that will come out soon, which is really cool, because I kind of feel like I am a little bit of an expert, at least at Hermes. I've also dabbled into, I got something at Chanel at the airport, which we'll do in a separate video because you have to, but one of the impossible to get Matthew Blase bags. Not the one I've been dying after, not the maxi flap, which I still can't get. But this one is very cute, and I saw it and I was like, why not? But I have to do a separate video on that. Sorry. Stay tuned. I mean, that's about it. Super. Okay, that's all I got. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see ya in the next one, baby. Bye!